Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry problem. So here we have, this is a nice right triangle in which the length of its sides are A, B and C respectively, in which the length of one side are given. This is B equals to 89 and the other two sides are unknown. So here first we need to find the length of other unknown sides, and then we can find the parameter of this right triangle. So here you know that this is the right triangle, and we know about that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and the side which join these two angles is called the base. So here we decide this is our base according to this angle, okay? And you know that the side opposite to this angle is called the perpendicular side, and this is our perpendicular side. So further in the next step, here we need to find the parameter for this. First we find the values of A and C, and here we can solve, or we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the unknown sides. And you know about that the Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is called the Pythagoras theorem, and here we substitute the value of C, value of hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse is denoted by C, it will become C squared. Our base is denoted by A, it will becomes A squared, and the value of perpendicular is 89, becomes 89 square. And here we move this A square into the left hand side, and it will become C square minus A square equals to 89 square. And further you see here in the left hand side we have, this is the nice algebraic formula. We know that C square minus A square is equals to C minus A times of C plus A is equals to 89 square. And now here further we know about that 89 square is equals to this is C minus A, C plus A, and 89 square becomes here 7921. Here you see that in the left hand side we have, these are the two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So first we need to find all the possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers becomes 7921. So here we have the possible numbers are 1 multiplied by 7921 is equals to 7921, and the second possibility is 89 multiplied by 89 is also equals to 7921. Here we just use the positive value because you know about that the length of sides of triangle are always positive, so that here we choose the positive numbers. And now we divide over this equation into the two cases. Here I can write the first case, so that our first case is that we just compare our left hand side with these two numbers, and we write it as C minus A is equals to plus 1 and C plus A is equals to 7221. And here we write our second case, and the second case is that we compare these two factors with these two numbers, and it will be written as C minus A equals to 89 and C plus A is also equals to 89. So here first we need to focus on case number 2. First we can solve the case number 2 here. And here you see that when we subtract both of these two equations, it means that we need to change its signs. So you see that this is the positive C and negative C are gone, and minus A becomes minus 2A equals to, this is positive 89, this is negative 89 are also gone, and we get here 0. So this implies that we get the value of A is equals to 0. This shows that our base of the triangle is 0, but it is not possible any side of length of equals to 0, because we find all the sides length greater than 0. So this is this case is not possible, so that we reject this case. And now here we just proceed here our first case, and in the first case we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here in order to find the values of A and C, we first add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So you see here, when we add both of these two equations, this is minus a and this is plus a are cancelled out by each other, and we get c plus c becomes here 2 times of c equals to 1 plus 7921 equals to 7922. So here for the values of c, we need to divide both of the sides by 2. And when we divide both of the sides by 2, this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here c is equals to, this is cancelled out by 3961. Okay, so here the value of c is equals to 3961. This is the value of c, and it means that this is the value of our hypotenuse. And now we need to find the value of our base. So for this, we use this value of c into equation number 1. So that our equation number 1 is implies that we copy down equation number 1 here. It is c minus a equals to 1. And when we put this value of c here, it will become 3961 minus a is equals to 1. Here we move this minus a to the right hand side and 1 to the left hand side. It will become 3961 minus 1 is equals to a. And from here we easily get the value of our a is equals to 3960. So this is the value of a. So here finally we get all the three sides length. So here we have the value of a is this one. The value of b is given, it is 89. The value of c is 3961. So these are the three sides length of the given triangle. And now we move towards to find the parameter of this triangle. And here you know about that the formula of the parameter is, we know that parameter be the sum of length of all the sides of triangle. It means that it is a plus b plus c. So we have the value of a is 3960 plus the value of b is 89 plus the value of c is 3900 plus 61. Okay, so here we need to sum up all of these values, and when we sum up all of these values, we get here 8010 units. Okay, so this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.